Hello students, good afternoon everyone. How are you students? Myself Shitalingle. Today we are learn computer standard 7th. Okay? आज क्या पढ़ेंगे बच्चों हम? कंप्यूटर पढ़ेंगे स्टैंडर्ड 7th. Okay? Now please take out your computer textbook and chapter number 1. Number system. Understood? What is the chapter number 1? Number system. Look at this. This is the point of chapter decimal number system. Okay? Decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system. Look at see in this chapter 3 points to the system. Look at see decimal number system, binary number system and octal number system. 3 सिस्टम हम लोग इस चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है बच्चों. In the earlier times, when there were no means of counting, people used to count with the help of fingers, stones, pebbles, sticks, etc. etc. Look at see, पहले के टाइम में क्या होता था बच्चों? काउंटिंग करने के लिए लोग क्या यूज़ करते थे? हेल्प ऑफ फिंगर, स्टोन, पत्थर एंड स्टिक, लकड़ियाँ. अगर हमें गिनती करनी होती थी बच्चों पहले, तो नंबर्स काउंट करने के लिए हम लोग करते थे स्टिक या फिंगर और स्टोन का यूज़ करते थे. ठीक है. दीज मेथड्स वर नॉट एडक्वेट एंड हैड मैनी लिमिटेशंस. ये जो मेथड थी बच्चों, अब ये बहुत पुरानी हो चुकी है. उसमें बहुत सारे लिमिटेशंस आ चुके हैं. ठीक है. ओके. टू ओवरकम दीज लिमिटेशंस, may number systems were introduced with the passage of time. ओके. और अब नया नया सिस्टम आ चुका है. ठीक है. नंबर सिस्टम. लुक एट सी स्टूडेंट्स, नंबर सिस्टम्स इंट्रोड्यूस विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम. लुक एट सी, दिस इज द न्यू पैसेज. डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम. लुक एट सी, what is the types of number system? 4. Decimal number system, octal number system, binary number system, hexadecimal number system. Look at see, this is the 4 step. Then number system is a set of value used to represent different quantities such as number of students in the number of viewer watching particular show etc. नंबर सिस्टम जो होता है बच्चों, अलग अलग क्वांटिटीज़ हमें दिखाता है. इट्स वॉचिंग पर्टिकुलर शो. लुक एट सी, वी यूज द डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम इन आवर डे टू डे, whereas PC represents all kinds of data and information. डेटा और इंफॉर्मेशन हम नंबर सिस्टम के द्वारा कंप्यूटर में स्टोर कर सकते हैं इन द टेक्स्ट, नंबर, ग्राफिक्स एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा फॉर काइंड इंफॉर्मेशन, डेटा एंड इंफॉर्मेशन. लुक एट सी, टोटल नंबर ऑफ total number of digits used in a number system is called its base or radix. ओके. अगर टोटल नंबर डिजिट्स यूज़ करना है तो उसके लिए हम नंबर सिस्टम यूज़ करते हैं और उसे हम क्या कह के बुलाते हैं? बेस और रेडिक्स. लुक एट सी, द बेस इज रिटन आफ्टर न्यूमेरिक अ स्क्रिप्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, look at see, first point of decimal number system. Okay. Need for counting pow. The way introduce the decimal number system in which 0, 1, 2, 3 to 9 are used to any other number. Most of our arithmetic operations were performed with decimal numbers. Look at see arithmetic operations कौन से नंबर डेसिमल यूज होते हैं यहाँ पर 0 to 9. Okay, consist of 10 digits 0 to 9. Look at see based 10. Okay, 0 to 9. Each number can be used individual. They can be grouped to from a numeric value 82 minus 256, 52.87, etc. etc. Okay, so this is the digit in a number developed upon a following: face value of a digit, base of the number system, position of the digit in the number. Look at see, this is the units 5, 4, 7. Look at see 7 units, 4 and 5. Okay, so look at see 7, 40, 500. So this is the 547 because of this is the 10 के ऊपर कौन सा नंबर है 200, 10 ones and units. ठीक है, so 7, 40, 500, 547. Look at see observation. Take out the next page. Positional value of each digit increases 10 folds as we move the right in left. Example 547 are the face value and their places value are hundreds, 10 and units respectively. Place value of digit depends on its position on the number. Okay, so this is the mentioned example 547. This is the number of 547. Okay, now next binary number system. Look at see, this is the picture of Aryabhat. Aryabhat was India's greatest mathematician and astronomer. He introduced the concept of zero without which modern computer technology would have been non-existent. Look at see, binary number system consists of any two digits. It has the base on two number. Look at see 0 and 1. Okay, why binary? Computer can't understood human language, rather it understand only the binary code. Therefore data that is entered into PC convert into its binary equivalent, then further converts the binary result into its decimal equivalent to generate the output. Look at see, this is the binary for useful for the enter. Okay, then further converts the binary result into its decimal equivalent to generate an output. Okay, then conversion of decimal into binary number system. Look at see, this is the Gottfried Leibniz, German mathematician, is created with the invention of the modern binary number system. Look at see, this is the step 4. Divide the given decimal number with base on 2. Write down the remainder and divide the quotients again by 2. Repeat the step till the quotient is 0 and write the remainders obtained In which step in the reverse order to from the binary equivalent of the given decimal number. Look at, see, this is the example of 1. Okay. Look at, see. Understood? Yes. Then example number of 2. It's the easy method of conversion of decimal into binary number system. Okay. Now take out the next page. Binary decimal number. This is the example 1, 2, 3. Okay. Multiply each binary number with its positional value which in terms of power of 2. Okay. Keeping the base fixed as 2 number. Look at this. Calculate the sum of all products. Get the decimal number. ठीक है? Then octal number system. This is the example 1 and 2. Look at this. Understood? This is the 345. Look at, see. This is your answer. Okay. And this is the example of 2. Hexadecimal number system. It's a 4 bytes is equal to 1 nibble. 2 nibbles is equal to 8 bytes. 8 bytes is equal to 1 byte. Look at, see. Why do we use binary number system in computer? So this is the 16 digits number 0 to 9 and letters A to F. Represent decimal number of 10 to 15. That means A is equivalent of 10. B is equivalent of 11 and refers to number of 12. Look at this example number 1 and 2. Look at, see. So, this is your example. Arithmetic binary addition. This is the A number of B. A plus B is equal to C. Look at C. In the binary addition, 1 plus 1 is equal to number of 10. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Okay, this is a binary addition. Look at this example number 1 and example number 2. Understood? This is the example. Binary subtraction. Look at, see. Rules given in the table must be followed. The perform binary subtraction. A minus B is equal to C. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Understood? Then binary multiplication. This is your example. Example 1 and 2. Okay. And this is the binary division. Look at, see. Method to perform division of two binary numbers is same as the date of decimal number C. Then example given below. Look at this. Quotient, dividend, divisor and last remainder. Okay. Example number of 2. Look at, see. Okay. Now this is the complete. See here students, this is the exercise number 1, fill-ups. Look at, see, the base of binary system number system is 2. The base on decimal number system is 10. Octal number system consists of 8 digits. In binary addition, 1 plus 1 equals to 10. Binary number system is understood by the computer system. Hexadecimal number system uses 16 digits from 0 to 9 and the letters A to F. Look at, see, this is the 9 and the letters A to F. Okay. In binary subtraction, A minus 1 minus 1 equals to 0. Look at, see, this is the true or false. You cannot perform arithmetical operations on binary numbers. Wrong. The decimal number system consists of 10 digits, i.e. 0 to 9. Right. Method to perform division of two binary numbers is not the same as that of decimal numbers. Right. 1 multiplied by 0 equal to 0. Right. Charles Babbage introduced the concept 0. Numbers used to octal number system are 1 to 7. False. This is the multiplication. Multiple choice questions. MCQs. Look at, see, one number. Introduce the concept of 0. B option, Aryabhat. Understood? What is the answer? A option is Aryabhat. Okay. A blank convert the decimal format into its binary equivalent. Digital computer. Computer understand only the binary code. In binary multiplication, 1 multiply 1 equals 2 is equal to blank 1. To convert decimal number into binary number, divide the number by 2. Okay. So this is the MCQs, fill-ups and true or false. You have to write in your this textbook. Neat and clean handwriting. Okay students. Then chapter number 1 is completed. Decimal number system. Observation binary number system. Conversion of decimal into binary number system. All chapter is completed. Okay. And exercises are also completed. Now second number chapter, formulas and functions. Look at, see, chapter number 2, formulas and functions. Which chapter? Number of 2. Look at, see, this is the Excel. What is the chapter number of 2? चैप्टर नंबर 2 में किसकी बात की गई है बच्चों? एक्सेल की, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल. लुक एट सी, उसमें क्या होता है? छोटे छोटे बॉक्स होते हैं. ठीक है. उसके अंदर हम लोग कुछ भी राइटिंग फिल कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ एक्सेल इज इट्स एबिलिटी टू कैलकुलेशंस either using formula or a function. This chapter you will learn the basics of formulas and functions, how they can be used different scenarios. Look at see. So formulas are very important for us. Okay students. Bye students.